I just want to give you a quick update sa ating Project Enriquez. This project is a 3-story mixed-use building na meron siyang lower ground. Now is a rainy season na and talagang challenging sa aming mga contractor ang season na ito. Good thing, 2 foundation na lang ang balance natin. As you can see, pine-prepare nila ngayon yung area for the concrete pouring. As I have mentioned, it is rainy season na, so meron talaga tayong water ponding. So, need itong ipump using submersible pump para madrain at hindi mababad ang mga bakal if in case may mga nakalatag ng bakal sa area na yan. That's all for now. Follow us for more construction updates.